Hello all, welcome to my channel Learning Oasis. So in today's video, we are going to see how to use lookup and return multiple matches in Excel. So for instance, this is the data set that I'm trying to build. So these are the employees that are available, and this table shows the sales amount data for each and every month for each corresponding employee. So for January, you will have six different employees, and similarly for Feb, March, April, and then May. So what I'm trying to accomplish here is, so if I look up for Tom, I should get the sale amount done by Tom for all 6 months. So if you want this displayed in six different cells, you can straight away go ahead and use the filter function. That is the simplest way to do it. So I have given the link how to use the filter function in the description. Please check that out. But in case you want all sale amount to be displayed in a single cell, how do you do that? The normal VLOOKUP function will not work because it will select only the first match. Even the upgraded version of VLOOKUP, the XLOOKUP function also works on the same logic. So there is literally no function that is available in Excel to accomplish this. So we'll have to improvise here. So let's see how to do it. There is a function called as a text join function. So that is what I'm going to use in combination with the uh, if function that is available. So this is the text join. So once you use it, it will ask for a delimiter. Delimiter is something which is the separator between two different texts that you're going to join. So for this instance, I'm going to use semicolon, and then it will give you two options, whether to include empty cells or ignore empty cells. So let's ignore empty cells here. And then now I'm going to use the if condition. So for if condition, this is the range I'm going to validate. So these are the list of employees, and I'm going to compare this with the cell number B5. Okay, so let's make this absolute so that the value doesn't change when you drag. So if it is true, this is what it will return, the sale amount here. Okay, again I'm going to make this as absolute. So if it is true, it will display the value in column G. If it is false, I need to display as a blank value. So I'm just leaving it blank. Then I'm closing of the if condition, and then closing of the text join condition. So now, normally if you enter, this will not work. Since we are using if condition as an array, what you need to do is you should press the control key, shift key, and then enter. Okay. So this is what you will see here. So for Tom, it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6 values. Thing. If you want this to be displayed one after the other instead of the semicolon, there is an option to do that. For that, what you need to do is just remove this delimiter and then enter this function char 10. So again, control shift and then enter. So this is what you will see. So for Tom, you will get six different sale amounts, that is from each month. Now let's just cross check it. So for Tom, it's 14 452, 33 81, 24 245, 10 158, 32162, 6662. Okay, so this is how you can accomplish this. So instead of using, again, there is no other functions that is available in Excel to accomplish this. So you can use the combination of text join and then the if function together. Only catches in once you completely enter the formula, instead of hitting enter, you need to use control shift and then enter. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you all.